Hello everyone. Yesterday I bought a new plant. This is passion fruit. This is variety name. I have no idea. Incense probably. Uh, Usually when you go to any nursery you will see passion fruits with purple possum. I can tell you, I have no idea which passion fruit I even tried in my life. All of them were sour, and I was just putting that on my tea. That's it. Like eating as is, way too sour to me. It's like a lemon. So it was in this pot. So here we go. And this is not a 1 gallon pot. This one I know, 1 gallon pot for sure, because I bought some somewhere. So, and you see a lot of fruits here. So this plant's definitely ready to go to bigger size. Stem is not really thick. This is 5 millimeters, in case you're wondering the thickness of this stem. And it's about 3.5 feet tall. I didn't measure it, but it's kind of 3.5. And what is interesting, this stem was actually bended and it was going down, so I made it straight. And where is, I'm wondering if I can find, I don't know actually where it was bended, but because it was bended it did start another shoot. So I have 2 stems here and another one is coming, here. So what I can say, I don't know if it's supposed to be with such a small leaf or not. This is small leaves. When you go to nursery and see Purple Possum, they will have much bigger leaves, and it's look even more vigorous, by the way. It can be not because of variety, but because that plant was fed with a lot of nitrogen. When plants have a lot of nitrogen, it's all this green stem will get much thicker, bigger leaves. So we'll see how that plant will respond to going to bigger pots. And I still need to find out all my fertilizers, but it was very close. And this is actually tomato food, but it's okay, whatever we have. So there is no purpose to put it on top of your pot, so it's difficult to see, but around this kind of soil I put on this pot without doing any fertilizer on. It's kind of dusty. Oh, this is organic, so it means it's maybe made it from bone meal and some kind of other stuff, powders. So it's pretty safe to put like this. It's not gonna burn any roots. And I think I will get another spoon. I have no idea. This is quite small actually. Maybe half a cup. Okay. I need to use 2 hands actually to put it there. And you see, it's kind of doesn't fit, but that's fine because I didn't compact soil much. Eventually it will be compacted and plant will go down. There is no root, one each, it's just soil, no roots here. So I will place it like this. Soil will cover all these roots, but usually it doesn't matter much if top roots won't be covered. That's fine, plant will still survive. And I probably will leave this plant for now in my patio, away from a lot of direct sunlight. So I want this plant to work on more like establishing. And actually sellers told me I should expect some fruits next summer. I'm not sure. Right now it's end of October, And actually I will need to protect this plant from frost, because if it's gonna be killed by frost, it will start all these new shoots from soil. And of course it's kind of resetting your plant. I hope it will protect all this new growth. It's not really a lot of vines, it's not really huge, and it probably won't grow very fast right now, because end of season, temperature going down, sun is not so hot. It's still hot, but not for plants actually. It's hot for humans, but for plants it's not so hot. On November, December, I don't know, plants we kind of will go to dormant state. They won't grow much. So I need this plant to work on getting stronger. I personally do not expect any fruits this summer. I will get lucky, I will have 1 or 2 fruits, just samplings to try it. But it's usually a good first year. If you want to try for some fruits, that's fine. But you need to sing them and leave it 1 or 2, depends on fruits, depends on tree size basically. I heard that mistake in the past when I let my tree set fruits how many they want, and that's pretty bad for some varieties, especially for citruses. Okay, let me finish that one. I will continue. So I added some soil around. It's quite difficult because it's not even 1 inch space, quite difficult to put it. And I put another, the same amount basically. I'm gonna put another layer of soil, and we'll put 1 more, because I'm a lazy person. I don't want to go back and feed again, and it usually doesn't make any sense to put any fertilizer during winter time, because your plant doesn't grow much, doesn't use much nutrition, and next time I need to come back to this plant during springtime, so it's probably February, March, and see. So I need to pull out and see if that pot already small. In this case I will put in a bigger pot. I will add some slow release fertilizer again. Yeah, during springtime it's usually good to have fertilizer with nitrogen. Now winter is coming, we don't need a lot of nitrogen. And I still have one challenge with this plant, because when you have vine, if vine does not have support, at least it's true for grapes. If vine grows like this and vine doesn't feel support, it stops growing. This is for grapes. I don't know if it's true for passion fruit, so I need to find out when I'm gonna put it in patio, because patio does not have any support. I need to build it. In any case, even if I've decided to leave it outside, I need to build support for this plant. I don't have anything, but because frost, I don't want to put it outside, so my plan is to put it outside during when we pass that last frost, probably February, March. I can put it outside and trail somewhere, but not at this moment. Okay, let's continue to put soil here. Okay, another round of adding fertilizer. This is even half this. It's dusty. It smells terrible too, actually, as it's probably from manure, some bone meal. I need to see what exactly. Okay, There is no reason to put it on top, so it needs to be covered with soil. Okay, we'll continue and put some soil around. Okay, here you go. This is 1 inch actually higher than it should be. I will try to push by my 2 hands and see if I can make it lower. It didn't go lower much. I did push a little bit, so you don't see any roots here, which is fine. It will be a little bit challenging to water it, but it doesn't take a very long time before it will settle down and will go lower. Actually, seller told me this is the best taste, but she told me like she is a little bit not objective on that one. So we'll see. Okay, leave me a comment below if you ever test this variety and you can compare it with Purple Possum. I'd like to know it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.